you couldn't get out. So that's called the event horizon. So you wouldn't notice if you fell through the horizon of the black hole in the Milky Way galaxy. If you went into that one, we could be falling through that horizon now in this room, and we wouldn't notice anything, except that we couldn't get out again. And one of the purposes, by the way, of the James Webb Space Telescope is to try to look at the formation of the first galaxies. So that's one of the reasons that telescope is up there. So it's cutting edge research. We're trying to understand how the galaxies form. But I clearly, you're right, that it has something to do with the way the galaxies form in the early universe.
Pulling in stars.
Well, they do pull in material.
Right.
But if you've got stuff orbiting around them, it stays orbiting around it.
Oh.
So the way we first detected the one in the Milky Way, because that image is very new that we have of it, is the stars orbiting it, very close to it. They're called the S stars that whiz around in these orbits very close to the black hole. So if you're just orbiting around the thing, you go...
Imagine that view.
Yeah, because
you think it's weird to look at the moon? Imagine if there was a supermassive black hole above our head.
It'd be so cool. I'd love to see one.
The moon is so cool. The eclipse was wild. We had the eclipse here in